Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to target the US audience in your Facebook Ads Manager. So first, head over to your Facebook and open up Ads Manager. Once you're there, give it a second to fully load and then look for the settings option. You'll find it down in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, inside the settings, there's a section called Accounts Control. So just click on that and then you will see the audience control. So what you want to do is toggle on the option that says My business can only advertise in specific locations. So once that's enabled, just type in United States or USA in the location field and you'll see it pop up in the suggestions. So go ahead and select that. So once you've selected the US, click on Review Changes and then Apply and you're all set. Now, your ads will be shown specifically to people in the United States. That's it. Super simple, and now you can make sure your ads are reaching the right audience. Thanks for watching.